Hello everyone. Today in this video you are going to learn how to find out maintenance order cost in journal ledger in SAP. But before that I will show you maintenance order cost using SAP transaction code IW33. In this command field we are going to write IW33 and press enter, and then here we are going to write order number and press enter. In this cost tab we can find here the maintenance order cost, and in the system status we can find the status of the maintenance order, and here we can see the total cost incurred by this maintenance order. Now we are going to use SAP transaction code KOB1. In KOB1 we are going to write here controlling area number and press this tick button. Then we are going to write maintenance order number and give here dates, and once this prerequisites are done we are going to press this execute button. As a result, report will be displayed, and here we can see the total cost 19,156. Now in order to view this cost into the journal ledger we need to know the journal ledger number, for which we need to ensure that we have this cost element field in this KOB1 layout, and if it does not exist then we are going to use this change layout button using SAP shortcut key Ctrl F8. Then we are going to add this cost element and make sure that we copy this journal ledger number. Then we are going to use SAP transaction code FAGLL03. In FAGLL03 we are going to write here or copy paste the SAP GL number and give here the dates and press this execute button. In this layout we are going to make sure that we have this order field, and if it does not exist then again we are going to press this change layout button and make sure that we add this order field into the main layout. And once it is appearing into the main layout we are going to select this order field and press this filter button and then write the maintenance order number. As a result, maintenance order will be filtered and we can find out the total cost of that maintenance order in the journal ledger. And if we want to view the accounting document then we can double click onto this document number, or we can copy this number and use the transaction code FB03, after which we can view the accounting document as well. So that's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.